You got a fucking problem?
You do.
You got a fucking problem with my bike?
Down the street
Huh?
like that.
Ripping down the street?
Yeah.
Like what? What do you mean ripping down the street? Are you gonna throw a basketball at me now that I have my fucking camera on? You sound like a fucking idiot, dude.
Call the cops on you.
Go ahead. What the fuck are they gonna do? What the fuck are they gonna do? This bike is completely legal. I'm not doing anything illegal. The only thing that someone's doing illegal is you throwing a fucking basketball at me when I'm coming home.
Why do you gotta back off and let it backfire in front of my house every time you go by?
It's a fucking bike. It has a flash. It backfires automatically.
You do it on purpose.
I do it. You sound fucking retarded. It's a liter bike. It backfires. You know how much fucking power this makes?
Off on it, it backfires.
Hold on. What are you saying? Huh?
When you let off on it, it backfires.
Yes, no shit.
Not when you're just going steady. Hey, I own 3 motorcycles myself.
Okay. So what's your fucking problem? You know how a bike works. Obviously you don't know how a sports bike works.
I drive quietly down the street.
Oh, bullshit. You probably ride a Harley, don't ya?
I did, yeah.
Yes, 30 grand for a slow-ass bike. That's louder than this, off the showroom floor. Yes.
When you give it to it, it's louder than that.
Yes, no shit. And this is louder because it's a liter bike. You clearly don't know anything about sports bikes. Go look up a 2016 Yamaha R1 with an exhaust. Way louder than this. Do you want me to get one? I'll order one right now for you. Would you like that?
Oh, yeah, right.
You would? Would you like that?
You ordered me a motorcycle.
So you're telling me you ride bikes, but you're throwing a fucking basketball in the middle of the street trying to hit me?
Because you don't need to.
You don't throw a fucking basketball. Wave me down.
This is a rural street. You don't need.
Wow, a street that's 30 miles an hour. Was I going faster than 30?
I got 6
No.
grandsons that you could run over any time.
Okay, that's your fault for letting them play in the fucking street.
Oh, no, it's your
Yes,
fault.
it's your fault.
not
Kids
paying
don't play in the street. No.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, exactly, because you
Get
know
outta
you're
here
fucking
right
wrong.
fucking out.
You're a fucking pussy.